Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Chat. First open your browser, then search for chat.google.com. This type of interface will be visible in your screen. You can start a chat by click on this plus icon. You can use spaces by create or find a space by click on this plus icon. You can use Google Meet from here. You can start a new meeting or you can join a new meeting. Here you will find your status. You can set it automatic, you can set it do not disturb, you can set as away, you can also add a status. Here you will find chat notification setting. In the support option, you will get support about Google Chat. You will find help, training and send feedback to Google option here. In the setting option, you can customize your Google Chat. You can set the theme setting to light mode or dark mode. Here you will find Google Calendar option. You can use Google Calendar from here. You can use Google Keep from here. And here you can create a task or view a task. Here you will find your contact that is added to your Gmail. Here you can find people, spaces and message. This is all about Google Chat. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.